Hi, how are you? You can see a nice canvas here, which is just a found material. It's a broken piece of a wood, and we are going to draw a acrylic paint on top of it. So, as you know, the canvas is irregular, so we are going to put the mountains here. You can see the drawing of the mountains. So there's the hard color, just putting on one side. Okay, shadow, and the extensions. Another mountain you can see here. Also hard color on this side. Okay, and the line touches to the other mountains. Okay, so there's the simple strokes you can see here with the brush. So now to highlight the mountain area, I'm just taking the yellow color and mixing with the previous color. Okay, putting the mountains into a highlighted area. We can see it's getting visible very nicely. You can use little bit water to draw it, and for mixing with the canvas. Okay, for the other mountain also you can have a little bit shades and just mixing within the canvas. All right, so the mountain which is front, you can see the color is prominent, and the mountain which is in the back, you can see the color is little bit soft color. Okay, and on top of it you can see some trees like these ones. Okay, so there's the outlines for the trees. Now we're going to put the color, which is the light green color. Okay, so few colors going to be the light green. You can see the strokes I'm using little bit longer. Okay, some other strokes you can see here. Okay, so it's a little bit pointy on top, and you can see just getting a spread out at the bottom. It's going to be a very simple and easy, nice looking tree so that everybody can draw. There's the idea. So our slogan is drawing for all. So draw the simple scenery, okay, in a mountain settings, and you just put the brush strokes like this kind of uh, few outlines here for the greeneries to the borders. Okay, so it looks like the trees are just visible in the night sky. Okay, and in imagination you can just draw anything, like the moon can be purple in this case, so that's because of our wild imaginations. Moon can be of any color, so I'm taking the color. Okay, so it's going to be the purple color here. Let's put the color dark purple. All right, and here you can put some grasses, outlines of grasses, like the purple on the top, few grasses here at the bottom. So those are very colorful, flora and other flower plants. The next thing you can do is, if you want to highlight it, then you have to mix it with another color. So in this case we are going to use the orange color just to highlight it. Let's mix it with the orange color on the top. That looks like the flowers, and little bit orange color. Just mixing it with the previous color over the mountains. Okay, all right, and putting few dots like the stars in the sky. Okay, to enhance the beautifications of the painting. So it's almost done. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.